Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be fixing a slime. Again, because we did this 1,000 times. So, it's very sticky. And there's only 4 Hatchimals in it. I think it's my Hatchimal slime I made. I didn't make it on camera. I'm sorry. Sorry because I didn't have, my daddy was using his phone right now. First up, I think we should add this, pom-pom. Not pom-pom. I forgot what this ball is called. You guys comment down below if you guys know what this ball is called. I got it from under my bed. So, that's all I really should add. It's very sticky. What if we add just the instant snow stuff? Like, let's do it but without the water. What would that do? So we add a little bit for just in case. Bless me. I'm a little sick, guys. Sorry. Tomorrow's my talent show. I'm really nervous because I'm doing a solo and 2 group games. So I'm afraid I'm going to mess up because in my solo I've been messing up all my practices. So this one looks like for the pom-pom, this Hatchimals. Let's add more Hatchimals. That's the thing. Oh yeah, and the diaper just made it much better. So we're just going to add a little bit more and then we're done. Okay, that should be good. Let's just mix it in. Yep, perfect. Let's see more Hatchimals so we can add in. Whole thing of Hatchimals plus and a little hair pull. I have more hair pull. Well, I have one more. Who cares? I really like my Hatchimals though. Why did I add them in the first place? I don't like this monkey one that much. Or this one. Yeah. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Cool glittery things for my... Well, so we just had those Hatchimals. Oh, it feels weak. So, you guys are going to come with me under my bed to see what I can find. Because, to be honest, it's a lot of stuff. Sorry if it's horrible camera, you guys. There's just slime all over my hands. I don't want to mess up. Ow, my toe. So, oh, of course. What was this? Rapunzel, just kidding. So, that's under my bed. Wait, can you even see? Yeah. I lost this. Sorry, they're really crazy when the game happens. Let's see. What should we do? Maybe we should mix this around with the slime and maybe it'll turn purple. Let's try it. Oh yeah, so the first one to like, comment, and hit notification bell and subscribe gets 5 samples of the slime that I'm gonna fix. Even you'll get plus an extra and a couple what's it called? Oh yeah, you guys have to comment hashtag JadaP Team if you guys haven't checked out my TikTok. Make sure you go check it out. JadaP Team with capital P and a capital T. I'm gonna keep on calling you guys that JadaP Team. It's getting really nice and purple. It's definitely not ugly. Would you rather have a very gray pink or a nice light violet purple? Comment down below. Okay, that's almost run out of the homework, but that's okay because it's really good right now. Okay, you guys can't even see. I'm so sorry. Now it's really pretty. It feels so good though. You guys get cloud slimes. If you guys comment down below, do you want this slime that I'm fixing or a cloud slime? Okay. I wish I could. Okay. I could just post on my polls what I should do. Again, sorry for the horrible lighting. We're gonna find what we could. Sorry about that. That happened. Did that just happen again? That happens to me all the time. What if we add this to the random slime? Because there's random stuff in it right now. No. I want to add jelly cubes. I don't have any. What's this? I found a random thing. Oh, it's just... Oh, is it jelly cubes? Ew. What the heck happened here? Just look at this. Sorry if the videos are going to be ending quickly because my dad may need their phone. So I probably won't get to finish this, but who cares? We're having fun, okay? Fun is what matters. So what should I do now? Oh yeah, and you guys will get this kind of, if that's okay with you. You guys can get 5 samples of these containers, or 5 samples of these containers without lids. Or you can get lids if you want. Yeah, these containers or these containers. Comment down #1 or #2. Okay, let's see what's in here. Let me bring my slime thing stuff. Videos in 6 minutes, it's fine though. Videos have been longer in my days. What if we had some of this? What is this even in here? What is this? What is this? What? I'm very confused. What's this? The animal body. Dun dun dun. I just love this ball in it for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so I don't know about you guys. I'm so sorry for wasting you guys' time. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry. Well, guys, I'm gonna be handing out some Hatchimals too, because I love you guys so much. So I'm gonna be handing like this unicorn one. Where's the one that's my favorite? I love you guys so much. I'm giving you guys my favorite Hatchimals. I'll give you guys this limited edition, very soft one. Where's the other one that I love? Oh, this one's so cute. I don't want to give this away, but I'm gonna have to for you guys. This one. Mommy! Don't say those words when I'm making videos. Please. This little cute lizard. And this little cute dragon. We're handing those out. So you guys are going to have a little slime. And there's going to be, these are the extras. I'm not going to show you the other extras because I don't want to give them away. Look at this one I found. My big pad and my other one. No. This is my thing I made for me from a long time ago. You guys, I'm so sorry. This video been 8 minutes already. Fine. We're just gonna add more Hatchimals. The ones that I hate. Jem, you're gonna have to wear it. Don't be difficult. Don't be difficult. Just be difficult sometimes. Okay, you guys. I don't want to open a diaper, but no, I'm not feeling it. But you know what? I'm gonna do it for you guys. I'm gonna be adding a whole diaper. Mommy, make sure you don't scream so loud. I'm making a video. I really want to meet some of you guys. I already have. I met my cousins because they, and my auntie and my uncles because they subscribe to me. But can you guys please, if you have it, because I live in Canada and Toronto. Where do you guys live? Because I want to come and see you guys. I think all my family is following me, but not like other people. No. Why am I so weird sometimes? Wait, I wonder if this... dun, dun, dun. No, I'm just wasting time. Wow. Okay. Zoom into this. It's okay. Mistakes. Oh. Happen. Wow, that's a lot. I didn't even notice how much cloud stuff I put. There was like gonna be too overactivated. Oh no, it's getting sticky. And now it's getting hard. Now it's getting more sticky. That's a perfect texture. So, Quentin, stop raging. Okay, you guys think I'm good for the slime maker? Here, I'll show you a close up. I need to fast forward because I don't feel like reading. I got slime on the match. No. No one's gonna kill me. Well, she's not gonna kill me because she loves me. The battery's low. 50% gun is quick. So this is what it looks like with hash molds. This is one. Did I just get all my clothes now? No. Oh. You guys, I am so sorry. Bye, guys. I can't do this. Bye. Not